Running backs all set now, ready to race. Race number 5, 2012 Pilcom, third leg, juvenile colt stake race. Away they go. Minotaur from the outside, hot and spicy by the Real Boss Jaden. Alongside Sky Dragon, entry number 3, Striker Symbol Naga, and Unthinkable is the early trailer. Hot and spicy by Hapalan, followed by Sky Dragon in second. And racing on the outside is Minotaur. And inside the last 900, 2 runners are fighting it out for the lead. Hot and spicy Sky Dragon from the outside. Fox his nose from the outside. Sky Dragon running down on the inside is hot and spicy. And racing in third by about 6 lengths, Boss Jaden. Minotaur, Striker Symbol Naga, Unthinkable as they race the last 450. It's still Sky Dragon and hot and spicy by the roll, hopping and popping, firing up for the lead. But Sky Dragon this time by about 3 lengths. Hot and spicy, Boss Jaden rushing up on the outside. It's Sky Dragon, Boss Jaden on the outside. It's Sky Dragon, Boss Jaden, and nearing the finish line. Boss Jaden is snatching a win from Sky Dragon. Third, hot and spicy, Striker Symbol, Unthinkable, Naga, and Minotaur comes.